Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanation of the Malthusian theory on population growth. Thomas Malthus was an early demographer and economist who, in the late 1700s, made an alarming prediction about population growth. The Malthusian theory views populations as growing at an exponential growth faster than the resources needed to sustain population increase. Malthus believed that the population was growing faster than the food supply because he determined that population growth is exponential, while food production is linear. By exponential, we mean doubling like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, while linear just means 1, 2, 3, 4. Malthus believed that food shortages would lead to crises such as famine, disease, and wars over resources that would lead to natural checks and slow down population growth. While Malthus predicted correctly that exponential population growth can cause social problems, his predictions in contemporary societies has not come to fruition due to technologies such as modern agricultural methods, making it possible to grow food. Today, food shortages are impacted by social inequalities rather than exponential population growth. Additional global policies and cooperation influences how countries trade and store food and aid each other during crises and disasters. Trends related to birth control, for example, family planning, education, and access to contraception has an impact on unchecked population growth. The Malthus theory is still used today to study population growth and warn about the potential devastating impact of climate change, food insecurity in poor countries, urban overcrowding, and global social inequalities. Questions such as, can the planet handle more people, consumption, and pressure on natural resources, are what Malthus was warning about during his lifetime. At the same time, taking a critical lens to the theory, we know that social inequalities and not population growth is a larger problem, and therefore scary headlines and social media posts about overpopulation are exaggerated. Contemporary sociologists are more likely to ask about how natural and social resources are distributed, not how many people live on the planet. The Malthusian theory on population growth helps us to see how we plan, grow, and distribute resources. These are important topics in the study of populations. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.